All right, so now we have the standard correlation, relevant, and reflection. So this assignment helped, I think, all of us to see how important mission and vision statements are for our schools and districts. The resources provided show us that we need to collaborate with all the stakeholders to accurately reflect our school's core set of values that may include data use, technology, equity, diversity, digital citizenship, and community. And while all of these are important, it's up to the school and the district to figure out which ones they want to focus on for those 3 to 5 years, or if they want to keep on focusing on those particular, values. So this can only happen with a strong mission and vision statement. And I can't speak enough to having all the stakeholders involved in making sure that students, staff, community members, local businesses, district leaders are all involved in this process. Next, we have the relevant portion. This assignment helped me to better understand exactly what mission and vision statements should be. They should be tailored to your schools and or district's needs. I think that's the big key. And that's what sets apart a good mission and vision statement from a bad one. And I don't want to use the terms good and bad, but also, they need to be what the school or district needs or wants to do. That's what it all comes down to. And this can only be done through collaborative work with all stakeholders, as mentioned before. With this better understanding, I'll be able to have a solid direction for my school when I'm a building principal. That's what it's all about. I need to have that direction. I need everybody to have that same direction so we're all working towards a common goal, a common vision, a common future for our students. And lastly, the reflection. Overall, learning about mission and vision statements was very interesting to me. There's a lot more that goes into it than I had originally thought. And I really never noticed the importance of it. So it's great to see what it can do and learn new things. Making sure everyone's involved and having a common goal and vision will help everybody in the district, from the classroom, building, to the whole district level, to the whole community. And this lets everybody buy in. And this is pertinent for the students' overall success. The phrase, "it takes a village to raise a child," comes to mind. And lastly, when I'm a school leader, I will make sure to take the proper steps for creating mission and vision statements that are tailored to my school's and community's wants and needs. That's what it's all really about, making sure that every single student is looked after within my school and my district, and making sure that we as a team are doing our best to make that happen. And last, these are my references, and thank you.